This year, the SEAL Club has introduced a new initiative that they are working on at Sanford, Save the Bees.
Save the Bees is a movement that started fairly recently that's focused on saving the honeybee population. And there are a lot of different kinds of honeybees. We're focused on saving them all. The population is declining rapidly due to habitat loss and something that's called colony collapse disorder.
They pollinate most of our crops. So 70 out of 100 crops that you eat are pollinated by bees, and so we're trying to save the population.
SEAL has been raising money to try to help it, and we're trying to spread awareness about the issue with populations of honeybees dying off, and we are also going to be planting a bee garden on Sanford campus to provide a habitat. The bee garden will attract bees for them to be able to safely live in that area, build their colonies, build burrows, and also be able to get a source of fresh water from the pond, and hopefully a respite because wildflowers and their overall habitat are dying out completely.
While the bee garden will attract bees, there's no reason for students to worry.
To anyone that's afraid of the bees coming on campus or afraid of having a garden that's going to attract them, they should just know that we are trying to attract honeybees, not wasps, and the honeybees are almost entirely harmless. Not only that, but the bee garden will be far away from the main paths of campus. So unless you spend a lot of time across the pond at math science, which almost nobody does, you're going to be completely fine.
The bee garden will not be the only Save the Bees project at Sanford.
Right now we are trying to plan an event with the lower school where we try to educate them about the Save the Bee program, and not only that, but try to get them to, or give them what are called seed bombs, which are these little cake-like balls that have a bunch of wildflower seeds in them, and we'll try to get them to throw them in places that aren't gardens, like basically empty fields that don't have wildflowers in them, to make sure that we can bring back the wildflower population and give bees a safe place to live again.
Sanford News Network, Marcus Whipple reporting.